Welcome back guys to my brand tutorial. In today's video we're going to create a comments model in our blog application using Django and Python. Alright, so in the previous video you created a functionality to delete and also update already created blog posts. But also you want to add in this video a new section that will display comments right here. So all of the comments that are commented on the already existent blog posts. But in this video we're just going to create a model for that. So for now we'll only add comments in our admin dashboard right there, but in the next video we're actually going to display all of those comments right here and also create them everything on our HTML frontend. Alright, so to create comments model in our models.py, just create a new class and let's call it comment. And instead of the brackets, just type models.model. So just like we did for all of our models right here. And now you need fields that are going to populate this comment model right here. So we'll have only 5 fields. The first one we'll need on what blog post this comment is on. So for example, if you take a look at our homepage right here, we only have 2 blog posts for now. But as you can see, we want only to comment on this basketball is really cool. We want to say something like, yeah, it really is the best sport. Or for example, the next comment could be on this one, Django is the best language, and to say something like, yeah, it is. And yeah, so we want to separate comments to each blog post that is actually referenced in that field right there. So the first field we'll create is blog_post is going to be equal to models.foreign key. And for the class that is going to be connected with this field right here is just going to be this blog post class right here, or database model right there. And also we'll make related name. Now I'll talk about it in a couple of seconds. And let's just type comments right here. And also we'll need on delete method right here, and it is just going to be models.cascade. And this just whenever the blog post is deleted, all of the comments that are associated with that blog post are going to also be deleted. And now what is this related name? It is just a way to access this blog post field right here from this blog post model right here. So for example, when we want to display all of our comments on our HTML right there, we could just type blog_post dot comments right here and all, for example. And this is just going to display all of our comments that are currently created on that specific blog post. And we're going to get to that part right there, but for now let's just remember that this related name just helps us access this field right here from this blog post model right here. Alright, so we need a next field, and it is just the user field. And why we need that? This is because when we want to type something in the comments, we want to have what user typed the comment right there. So if we are currently logged in as Joker, yeah, it is going to display right there that the Joker user actually created that comment. But for now, let's just type user right here, and let's just type again models.foreign key and user class. So this is just this Django's pre-built user class right there, so we are referencing that right there. And also on delete method is going to be models.cascade right there. Alright, and now the last 3 fields are actually associated with the comment's content, so title, body, and also when the comment was actually created, so date. And let's just create it right now. So let's type title right here, and this will just be models.character field, so char field. And let's also type max length of 200 characters, or let's put 300. Yeah, it is okay. And now we need body right here, so it is models dot let's make it a text field, so it is just the big box and not just a character field like input one, but yeah, rather a big box that the users can type their actual content of the comment into. And it will not have any max length. And the last field is the date right there, and it is just going to be models.datetime field. And inside of the brackets we'll just need auto now adds to be equal to true, and this just helps us automatically add the time and also the date that is currently on our computer. So if we are currently in 2024 11 p.m. it is going to be displayed as the date right there. Alright, now I'm going to show you the power of this related name right here. So we'll create a str method right here, and we need self right there, And now we're just going to return in the admin dashboard a pre-displayed text right there, so we know what comment we're clicking on. So right here, let's just return a f string. Instead of there, just type self.blogpost.title, and this just reference to this blog post field, which is actually just this blog post model right here, so this whole model. And instead of that model, just find a title field right there. This is what this title means. And yeah, we're displaying a blog post title that comment is created on. And we'll also type dash right here, and let's also type self dot body, right, or title. Actually, it is better for the visualization. Alright, so you've created this comment model right now, but also you need to make migrations and also push them to the database, so actually this model is actually visible in our admin right there. So let's just type python manage.py and make migrations first. Migrations. Alright, so we see create model comment right there, and also we need to migrate this, so you can actually use arrow keys to just see past messages you typed in the comment prompt, and delete this make migrations and just type migrate right there. And we can actually see that all migrations are applied. And let's run server again, so run server, and yeah, it works. And also we need to import it right here in our admin.py, so I'll just copy the previous line and type right here comment, and also import it inside of the from models right there. And let's just save this file, and it should work now. So let's check our admin, and yeah, we see our comments model appear right here. So let's add a new comment, and let's comment on this Django is best language. Let's comment as Joker user. We share the same opinion, and let's put 3 exclamation marks. So let's put in the body something like, I also think this is the best language, but it is actually a framework. So a little misspell right there, XD. So yeah, a little comment right there, and yeah, I think we've got everything right there, so we can actually see that this is created. And we also see this Django is best language title right here, that is not actually in our comments model right here, but rather in our blog post. And we got it using our blog post field right here, using this foreign key right here. And later on I'll show you the power of a related name, remember, in the next video. So yeah, make sure to stay tuned for that. And I'll create a new comment right here on this basketball is really cool, using the admin right here, so I'm commenting on myself. So for the title I just typed I'm cool, and for the body I think my opinions are worldwide popular. Alright, let's save this right here, and yeah, we can actually see again that it actually works right here. So we created it right here, and yeah, in the next video you're actually going to display all of these comments right here, and also create them on the actual HTML frontend and not just in this admin dashboard. If you like this video, make sure to check out the pinned comment of this video. I made you a free PDF guide on how to help you pass the beginner stage and escape the tutorial hell, and also I have got another great video right here on screen. Make sure to check it out, and I'll see you in that one.